meeting, I said, I tried to speak to you and you didn't want to speak to me, so there's no more discussion. Let's go and meet in court. He came through other journalists to ask that we get an out-of-court settlement. I didn't have to know Fifi Cooper and her music, but I could see an injustice when I saw one, or here, there's something wrong. So you don't have to see it with problems as individuals and then wait for meetings to complain as a group. Where there is an injustice, we are here to help. We'll deal with it without expecting anything. I don't expect Fifi Cooper to campaign for EFF. I don't expect her to be in EFF meetings. I don't expect her to vote for the EFF. I didn't help her for voting for the EFF. I saw an injustice. And I said, I must deal with it. It's done, it's finished. I don't know what she does now, whether she's got a new album or... I was not interfering with music. I was interfering with an injustice. So what she does with her life is really not. She can actually go and perform in the ANC. I actually enjoy helping ANC people. Because half the time they realize their party is so useless that it can't even help its own members. We built a house for a Zuma's neighbor. A house which was collapsing. Zuma was passing that house every day. We went to build a house for that woman. And then she announced that she's going to vote for the ANC, and the newspapers came running. That woman you built a house, she said she's going to vote for the ANC. I never told her to vote for EFF. I never said to her, we are building you a house on condition you're going to vote for the EFF. We never had such a contract. So if EFF helps people, and then in fill in forms. So the filling in forms, it simply means you sometimes sign even contracts which are not helpful to you. Because are not exposure. So if we go to school, we're able to read contracts, which sometimes we don't even need lawyers. You can just see, this one is not for me. I can't sign my life away. I will never do that. And then you can then take it to a lawyer to actually affirm that your understanding is correct. So the younger generation must go to school. Prior learning must be recognized and given opportunities. Those people who have been doing this thing in the township, in the rural areas, in the rural provinces, they must be recognized and they must be awarded as well. So we agree with that wholeheartedly, because it will professionalize the industry. We need a body like SASCOC. All of these sporting codes in South Africa, almost all of them, have got organized, recognizable bodies which can be called to parliament. So for instance, this PSL has been saying they can't, is it PSL? Yeah, PSL, they can't broadcast the matches. If they'd gone on like that for some time, you're going to see them in parliament. Well, wait, what do you mean? Why are you consistently not broadcasting the games? Because they are a body which we recognize. So we need that type of a body with the creative industry to be called to parliament to come and explain why will the whole cast of Generation be expelled like that. And then the man who thinks is more powerful continues to produce more, and because he's a law unto himself. And this is a group of people who get expelled like that by one individual who's got power. He's not white, whereas he's got struggle credentials. Yes. And he's untouchable. No one can do anything. So you don't know who to call. Or can you come and account? When you call SABC, Claudia says, I've got a contract with the guy, I don't have the contract with the actors. There's nothing I can do. So we need a body that regulates those type of things, which will be able to say, this type of arrogance actually borders on a possibility of being blacklisted. or we will no longer do business with this type of arrogance, which has got no respect for the rights of workers. So you come in the music industry, you register all the top artists. And then what are you saying? You want the other recording labels to collapse. The EFF is against monopoly, not of white monopoly alone. We are fighting white monopoly capital because it is the only monopoly. And in fighting white monopoly, you must not create black monopoly. Yes. And that's what Mabala was attempting to do. Because they had the money. Don't ask me where they got the money from. They had the money. And they could just get into any station and do anything. Every artist of Mabala was being played. Within a short space of time, all of them were being played. They could get a song of the year with the Maskandi artist, a relatively known Maskandi artist. Nothing wrong with Maskandi. Because they had the money. You are distorting the game. That was a distortion of the game. People should win not because we invested in money to buy too much airtime for people to vote. Let the people vote on their own so that we really get to appreciate that this is a very good music, it's a good artist. And again, if the SAFTAs work like that, where you give people an award, after giving an award, they say she's going to be expensive, we're no longer hiring her. Then the award must be stopped. Or it must come with money. It must be the award accompanied by some money. Or in the, because I'm not going to be employed for some time because of this award which is going to threaten people. I will be eating the money that came with the award. Because you can't eat the award. It's the same thing in the music industry. When you win an award, you increase your fee. So it must be the same. People must not be threatened. We want talent, we must recognize talent. And you want proper A-class talent, you pay for it. So we need to zoom into that space. So the EFF, it's a friendly force. The EFF is here for all of us, especially those of us who may not get the resources to fight certain battles. We will come and help you. We don't have money, we don't have too much money, but when it comes to helping, our lawyers, especially the advocates, we've been with Advocate Mugai Toby for some time now. I've never seen his bill in the EFF office. They never claim money, especially if the issues are justified. If issues are about fighting an injustice, they never give us a bill. There's a very good lawyer, we say, that one of copyright. He dominates everyone. Who? Graham. Graham. Is it Graham? Yeah,